Hey guys, it's Miss Grace here with a screen recording of a tutorial for our next assignment. The assignment that we'll be working on is a digital assignment. So the first thing that you need to do is access the program, which is called Paint3D. You can access it by going to your start button or your waffle or your window. And then from there, you'll be searching for Paint3D. From there, you'll be clicking on the new menu to get your own new canvas. From there, you'll be clicking on the 3D Shapes tab. For this assignment, you will have to have at least 5 forms. And the way that you can access the forms is through this part of the menu right here. And so you can choose any sort of shape. For this example, I'm actually going to choose a, let me go back here. Let's do a pyramid. So here's how you create a pyramid. You can change, or a form, you can change where the form is located as far as like the y-axis goes, meaning how far back. You can change the direction of the form, meaning they can point up or down or any sort of direction that way. And you can also change it laterally as well. You can also change it as far as the y-axis goes, going across this way. So you can really have a lot of freedom with the different types of shapes that you create. Or forms, forms that you create. You can place them wherever you like. You can change their sizes. And you can also edit their color by choosing the Edit Color tool, picking a color. And you can also change the finish, meaning like the texture that's on the actual shape itself, or form. Sorry, I'm going to keep saying that. Let's go back to this metal because I really like it. There it is. So for your assignment, you'll be having to have at least 5 different forms. You'll be having to have a variety of color, size, and location. And as far as 5 forms doesn't mean 5 of the same form. It means 5, one of each type of form. And you'll have to also be creative, meaning that you can create any sort of image here. You can even combine these shapes together to go inside of each other and create different types of things like that. You can stack them, so on and so forth. So when you're finished, let's say my artwork is finished, I'm super happy with the way it looks. Now it's time to turn it into canvas. So the way that you'll do that is by clicking up here to the menu bar on the very top left-hand corner. You'll be clicking on Save, and you're going to be saving as an image. I would like for you to save it onto your desktop. Ignore that. Save it onto your desktop or wherever you save your art images. Call it Form, and then maybe your initials. Save it onto your desktop, and then that way you can submit it into Canvas. Once it's saved, you can then submit it into Canvas. I would like for you to, if you're still having issues working in this program, please make sure that you go to the assignment page, which is located in Quarter 4, Lesson 1, to watch the tutorial starting at minute 4:35. And that tutorial will teach you the basics on how to use this specific assignment or the specific program. You can also create your own forms, meaning that you can draw a form, any sort of shape. It's a wibbly wobbly. And then it'll take just a second to render, and there's my wibbly wobbly. You can change the color, you can change the orientation, you can change anything about it. And then of course you can stack them together and have fun. Basically what I'm looking for you to understand through this assignment is how to visualize 3D forms in a 3D world and what they would look like with different light sources. You can also, once you're finished, you can also do this, click on this button right here called Mixed Reality, which will give you a nice idea of what forms look like in a 3D space. Once this menu loads up, you'll see me again. Ah! You can actually turn your creation and put it into right there. You can take a picture or upload a picture and put your creation into that area. Or you can kind of turn it around and take a look and see what it actually looks like. I just like the polished metal. It's so cool in this program. But you can change the lighting. You can change where the light source is so you can have a better idea of what the shadows might look like in the object or anything like that. Now, once again, once you have your artwork created in this program and you met all the specifications, you can go ahead and go to the menu, save image, save one more time, which is located just down here. Save it as whatever you like. I suggest form dash your initials, and then you hit save. From there, the artwork is saved onto your desktop or wherever you chose to save your artwork, and then you can submit it into Canvas. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I can't wait to see your artwork.